Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can replace your video background on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to track, and you are going to select cutout here. Select auto cutout and wait for it to process a little bit, and then you are going to select basic. You can use your own pictures, by the way, for instance this one, and you can move it the video up and then use this instead as a background. But you can also use backgrounds from CapCut, so make sure the video is down here, and then you're going to go to basic, scroll down until you find canvas. If you put it up here, canvas won't show up, so make sure your video is here. So select canvas and select the style you want. You can also choose color, but I'm just going to choose style for mine. And you're going to find one that is you're going to find that the one that you like. That's what I meant. And I'm just going to choose something like this or this one. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!